Good morning, YouTube friends. Today I decided to pick up the camera and do a day in the life. Craig left to go out of town this morning, and so it would just be the girls and I. And Briley has a slumber party for a friend's birthday party tonight. So she will not be here tonight. It would just be me and Emmy, but she is here today during the day. So I decided that I would do a day in the life, like I said. So yeah, stick around and spend the day with us. But right now I've got to clean this kitchen up from breakfast. So let me start by doing that real quick. I was just getting ready to tell the kids that they could come outside and play until I walked to the door and realized that this was going on. Needless to say, I don't think we're going to be playing right now outside. And it's only getting harder. But it keeps doing this, where it will be really sunny for like 30 minutes and then it'll rain for like 30 minutes. And it's supposed to do this for 2 days. Gotta love a rainy day. Alright guys, the sun has finally come out just in time for us to leave and take Briley to a birthday party. So she is signing her card and she's going for a sleepover, and me and Emmy get to have a mommy night. She had a night with Daddy the other night when she went to Birmingham for her appointment, so tonight she gets to have a night with Mommy by herself. So we are getting ready to take her to the party, and then Emily and I have to go pick up groceries, right? And then we're going to come back and start our mommy Emmy night after I do a little bit of meal prep that I want to do. But yeah, we will probably see you guys when we get back from the grocery store. You ready for your party, B? You're going to miss us? Are you excited to see friends? She's so excited because they haven't seen any of their, well, Emily saw a couple of her friends, but Riley hasn't really seen any of her friends since we got out of school in March. So that's almost 4 months since she's seen any of her friends. So she's really excited to see them today, but I'm going to get her this party real quick. So we will see y'all in a little bit. Alright, you guys, we did get back from the grocery store. I just got done filming a grocery haul and a meal prep video. That will probably be up before this one. I'll actually probably edit that one tonight and get it up. While Emily and I are watching TV, I think we're going to watch Moana tonight. But Emily requested ramen noodles for dinner tonight for both of us, and I think I mentioned that earlier. So I got her the regular ramen, and then I got myself these. They're not good for you at all. At all. But it's the only ones I like, and she is demanding that I eat ramen with her. So I am making myself one of these, and she is having regular chicken ramen. So I'm about to make our dinner, and I will see you guys whenever we're eating it. It's really quiet here without Briley. They're not fighting, but I know that she really misses her sister, so that part kind of stinks. But yeah, I'm going to make this, and I have my drink, which is peach nectarine. I can never think of those. Sparkling ice is what it's called, with half that, half water, and 2 slices of lemon. And yeah, we're going to make our ramen, or I'm going to make it, and then we're going to go eat it. Alright guys, I've got my little sidekick, and what are we eating for dinner? Tell everyone. They already know, but I want you to tell them what you requested.
Ramen noodles.
I asked her if she wanted homemade pizza. We talked about chicken and rice. We talked about tacos because it's Tuesday, but that wasn't what she wanted. She wanted ramen. So Emily's got her ramen, and
Mommy's got hers.
I have my ramen, and we are going.
Mine.
Yep, we're gonna watch a little bit of TV.
I'm watching YouTube.
You're gonna watch some YouTube while you eat. All right, she's gonna watch some YouTube, and I'm gonna watch one episode of The Good Witch while we eat, and then after dinner, what are we gonna watch? Moana. Because tonight is what?
Movie night.
It's Mommy and Emmy night. So
and we always watch Moana whenever it's Mommy and Emmy night.
Yeah. So we are gonna go eat, and then we're gonna watch our movie.
Yay!
So we will see you guys after dinner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, I know I told y'all earlier that it had stopped raining whenever I took Briley to her friend's house, but it is storming. Like, it came out of absolutely nowhere again, and it is raining so hard. I don't know if you can tell that right over there it is puddling up really bad. It just, like, it's lightning and all the rain puddling up. It is crazy. So looks like we're in for a stormy night, which is fine. I guess Emily and I will just be snuggling, but geez, I hope it doesn't do this all day tomorrow too. guys, we are done with Moana, and we also painted Emmy's nails. They are a really pretty, like, glittery, coppery color. We did her nails and her toenails. And we are getting ready to... She's going to play a little bit on her phone while I clean up a little bit before bed. And then we're going to get ready to go to sleep.
Where is it?
I have a little bit of cleaning left to do. And then we will be ready to get ready for bed. How was your mommy Emmy night?
Good.
Good?
Ooh,
Alright guys, I'm going to clean up and I will see y'all before bedtime. Alright guys, I'm about to wash the last bit of dishes for the night. It has been... Sorry for the glare. It has been so weird without Briley tonight. We've had a great night. Like, we've got Emily's nails painted. I know she's having such a good time with her friends. And that they're enjoying themselves and that she has missed them so much. But it's just been so weird without her for Emily and I. And normally, you know, they're fighting or getting along every 30 minutes. They kind of switch out. But it's just been weird. So we'll be excited to get her back in the morning. And actually, one of her best friends is going to come hang out with us for a little bit tomorrow because her mom won't be able to get her until later. So she'll get to come hang out with us and it will be a good time. But yeah, I've just brushed my teeth and everything. And I'm about to wash up these dishes, these last bit of dishes that I have. And then Emily and I are going to bed as soon as I'm done picking up and cleaning up a little bit. So let me get to that real quick. We have brushed our teeth, we've cleaned up the house, and it is time for
bedtime.
bedtime. We're so ready to go snuggle in mommy's bed and sleep, right?
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we get to go get
Briley.
Yay, she's so excited.
More cats.
You get to tame more cats. You can play for about 10 minutes and then we gotta cut it off and go to bed. I know. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Emily, what do they do?
Smash that like button. Actually, smash it, smash it. Smash that like button. And click that subscribe button.
Ooh, girl, your hair is crazy from rolling around. Alright guys, so if you like the video, like it. And then subscribe and keep up with this crazy journey that we're on. Keep up with my silly little ones. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.